So I have a virtual box here running. Kali Linux. Okay, so tools for phishing website. Black Eye. We're going to be using Black Eye GitHub. Just copy the URL. Come to the terminal. Git clone. So whoever is new here, okay. So Git is the command to clone any repositories, any framework from the official Git website. Okay, so it is the command git clone. You are cloning a website, or you are cloning a repository from GitHub. Okay, I have it. Just enter it. March. Now, git clone. Okay, I already have it. So let me show you. Ls here. You guys can see black eye, cd black eye. Ls. Now I have here the function, the program. Okay, blackeye.sh. sh.sh stands for bash scripting. Okay, it means that program is written in bash language. So either you use bash blackeye.sh or just type dot forward slash dot forward slash dot forward slash bash. Yeah. So this is our website. This is our program. Okay, Black Eye, developed by the Linux Choice. So these are the website and these are the options we are getting. We can clone these websites. Okay, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Steam, Bitcoin, PlayStation, eBay. Let's go for one. Instagram. Let's run it again. Option 2. Still I'm getting no. Again, one. Now, this is asking me with my for my local IP address. Okay, local IP is 10.2.0.2.15. I'm going to provide it. Starting PSP server. See this. Can you read here? Send this link to the victim. Send this link to the victim. Let's be our own victim. 10.0.2.15. Can you see here? I have successfully cloned the Instagram link. But remember, this link and this attack is only be available, is only be successful for the LAN attack. Okay, LAN attack. Local area network. Login. Now, when I click here, when I click, just observe where is it going. Don't save. So when I click login, it is redirecting me to the actual Instagram genuine page. Okay, you can see here HTTPS. You can see the lock here. The connection is secured. You can see the domain, the protocols. Now let me come here. See here. Account name Kevin, password Kevin. and is also saved in this path. Site Instagram saved dot username dot txt. Okay, so both in both thing LAN and WAN, both attack are same. Okay, but the thing is in WAN, we need our personal hosting. We need our personal hosting. I'll show you this.
So what if we have public IP available? We can assign one public IP to this.
No, no, you can, that's why what I'm trying to say is because you need a personal hosting, you need a personal your own website, your own server, which will be hosting and will be getting outside your AT, which is your access point. Okay, outside your Wi-Fi, it should go and it should be available for the others to access it. Then only your phishing campaign will be successful. Let's do Netflix. Netflix.com. Now, guys, just just give me a second. Just give me a second.
Kevin, you can just try Control plus U if you want to see view source, maybe.
Oh no, actually they have disabled it. Price not sure. Yeah, they have disabled it.
So it is showing in the Mozilla Firefox. It is showing view page source.
Yes, I'm doing that. That's what I'm trying to do. But I got
Hmm.
disconnected in between.
I'm trying on my laptop.
Copy the whole way.
I have sent that in the chat. Okay, if you want, you can download and open.
Actually, using a RDP session like any session to India is like really hectic for me. So that's, yeah. So you're going to search for the PSP code. Here. We got the PSP code. Copy it. Field.psp. This code gonna fill the PS credentials for us. Okay. Now new folder, phishing campaign, phishing camp. Now here. Now what was I trying to say here? Now, this is our Netflix file. I'm gonna open it again. of post. Let me see here. Is it visible? Method is equal to post, and there is a class which is a login form. And now here there is the action. Everyone, are you here with me?
Yes, Kevin.
Yes. So this is the action attribute. Okay. In that attribute, we're going to be pasting our steel.php, our PHP script file. Okay. And we're going to save it, exit it. Now this is our HTML, Netflix file. And now we're going to be uploading this whole thing. Okay. This whole folder, phishing camp. Okay. Phishing camp folder onto our web server. I hope I'm being clear. My voice is being clear to all of you. Yes? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes,
No
sir.
disturbance, right? No disturbance, right? Okay, thank you very much. Now, okay. So we're gonna be uploading the whole folder, machine camp, onto our web server, our personal hosting. And then when let's just say, when we send this link, okay, this is not gonna be the same link, exact same link. Okay, this is our local file. We see the SC directory, user, enterprise, desktop, phishing camp. In that phishing camp, we have the Netflix HTML code. Okay, this is not going to be the same when we'll be hosting it. Okay, so if you want to do the practical, this is the same exact practical. Okay, just rent a web server. You can go to AWS. You can go rent Azure. Okay, for that, and this is the basic thing which you need to do. Take this here, copy the link. And, this is your Gorilla main. Okay, you must be know it, knowing it, right? So you can send your you can type whatever it is. Profile.net. Okay, you can scramble it. So you can scramble your address, and now you can send this link with this email to anyone. Okay, after the hosting. Okay, remember after only you're hosting it. When you're done hosting it, you can send this to your victim, and when he clicks it, you're going to be getting his email ID and password. Clear? Are we guys clear? Anyone having doubt here? So that was I'm trying to say here. And after when we are getting the stolen credentials, it's gonna be saving that in this log.php file. Because in this code here, you can see open the text file in writing mode. And this is the file log.php. In that text file, you can find the username and password. Okay. Anything else? Are we clear with the practical? So this is the practical. Hello guys.
Yeah, it's clear.
Anyone else having doubt? Having any issues? Understanding
No,
this
sir.
concept? Okay, just remember in when we require a personal hosting, we require the source code for the cloning website, which we are going to be cloning. Okay. Second thing, we're going to be using our PSP file, which is going to steal the credentials for us. Okay. And once they are done, we should save them into a folder and upload that folder to your personal hosting. The PSP file. See, I've provided you for the code. Okay, PSP code. If you know the PHP language, you can write it, you can customize it. If you don't know it, you can use the default one. Okay. In the group, it is shared. Okay, this picture has been shared in your group. Okay, and there is your PHP file, PHP code, and source code. You can flow on any website if you want. Okay, in the practical I've shown you with the Netflix. You can do it with any website, but remember your personal hosting, your HTML source code, and your PHP code. These three things are mandatory. Okay, essential for WAN attack. Okay, wide area network. And in LAN area network, you just need to go to the black icon here. Just run your bash blackhat.sh. Go on any website. Let's do for Snapchat. Default one. Again, so send this link to your victim. Okay, and remember, in the LAN attack, you both. Okay, the attacker and the victim should be on the same website. Let's do it again. So yeah, Snapchat. Kevin. Okay, so this is LAN attack, and you need to change the URL. Okay? And you both, victim, your target, and you, the attacker, should remain on this same network for the succession of this attack. Any doubt here? Click the link. Which link are we talking about?
Kevin, is it possible for the LAN user if we can make an entry in their local host file? Let's suppose if I need
Yes,
one.
it is known as farming. You can make
Okay.
it. Okay, send the phishing link. Create a web server, host your web server, and after that, do the farming. Okay, you can redirect anyone to your malicious website.
Okay, that is also possible.
Oh yes, that is also possible. It is known as farming.
Farming. Okay.
Any doubt here? Any doubt? Hello, everyone.
Yeah, Kevin, you're audible.
No, is anyone having hard time to understand the concept?
No, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yeah, sure.
Now, okay. So we are done with the social engineering attack, which was module 9. Okay, we are done. We are done with the module 1, introduction of ethical hacking. And now we are done with module 9, social engineering. Now we are starting drill 2, which is Footprinting reconnaissance. Okay, footprinting and reconnaissance. Now, there are 5 phases of hacking. Okay. First phase is information gathering. Second phase is gaining maintaining access. Third phase, clearing tracks. Get the rank set clearly, but we will try it. See, Mr. Real, again, I'm gonna show you.
So your voice is again on bit lower side, Kevin.
Yes. Is it clear now?
Yep, much clearer.
Okay. So please see, it's a humble request from my side. Please, when I'm trying to teach you any concept, please concentrate on that. Okay. Okay, sir. So first and first, I need a personal hosting. I need my own personal website or web server. Okay. And in that web server, I can rent it or I can buy it. Okay. Web server. And then after that, I'm gonna be buying a personal domain. Okay. When you rent a personal hosting, you will be getting a personal space, your personal where you can upload your website source code so that your website can start running on that web server. Okay, you're going to be getting your personal domain. Okay, domain it can be .com, .in, .iu, .us, .io. It can be anything. Okay, so once you get your domain, once you get your personal hosting space, upload. You're going to be uploading the HTML file. Okay, now this HTML file could be of any site. Okay, let's just say you are attacking a victim. Okay, and you want their Instagram account and Instagram password. So you're going to be cloning the Instagram file. Go to Instagram. Please close your mic. Go to Instagram. Right click. View page source. Just copy it. Save it into a text file. .html. Okay. Give it the extension of .html. Remember that. Okay. Once we are done saving it, open it again with the notepad. Okay. Open it again. Now Control F. Find the post method. P-O-S-T. P-O-S-T. Find the post method for that. Methods here. Here. Now we have a method which is post. Okay, there are various methods, and for that you really need hard concept of networking. Okay, the set and networking. Okay, there are get method, post method, and there are totally 7 methods. Okay, put, delete, put, delete, post, get, that is 4, and not recalling the rest 3. So yeah, post method. In that post method, you can find the class. Okay, which is the class? This is the login form for so and so website. Okay, and after beside that class, you have a variable. You have a attribute. You have an attribute which is action, and that action was blank. Okay, I have given the file name, my PHP script file name. Okay, I'm gonna give here my PHP script file name. Come here again. This is my PHP script. Open it. See here. This is my PHP file. Okay, this is the code. If you know the PHP language, you can write it. You can customize it your own. Okay, with your own requirements. And if you don't, I have provided you with the PSP code. Okay, so I'm gonna give it steel.php. All files save. Yes, sir. Okay. So now this is my steel.php and this is my Netflix. Okay. Now I've written the my PHP script file name here. Okay, save it, Control S, and put both of the file in one singular folder, and upload that folder into your web server. The whole folder, okay, whatever folder you can name it, whatever you want, and upload that whole folder into your web server, okay, into your personal hosting, and send that link. Okay, now if you open it, now send this link. This thing, it will change. Okay, this thing will be changed. Okay, once you upload it to your web server, it will be changed. Now send that link to any victim. Okay, any victim, it should be anywhere, it must be anywhere. Okay, in the globe. Once they click it, they enter their name, whatever, sign it, you're gonna be getting their email and password. Are we done now?
And how to do redirection? Like, once it will put that username password, it should redirect to the actual website. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
आंसर नहीं मालूम उसको।
Hello.
क्या क्या मैंने?
Yes. Can you repeat your question?
Yeah, what I'm saying, like, how to redirect. Okay, once that victim will put username and password, after that,
Yeah. Okay. It will be redirecting directly. Okay, automatically. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to do nothing. Just sit tight, wait for their credentials. Once they put their credential, once they click on their login submit page, they're gonna be automatically redirecting to the actual page.
Okay.
Okay, you don't have to do anything.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect. Are we done? So,
Yeah.
Mr. Real, are we clear now? See, that's what I was trying to explain this. if you concentrate in my lecture, you're gonna be not needing any personal advice or extra advice for that. Okay. I told you you can go to the AWS. Okay. Right for you, AWS is your. You can go to these websites. You can rent a server, your personal own server, and you can upload it there. Okay.
But these like this Big Rock, these websites are also providing that hosting services with domain.
Okay.
So I guess that is the
You
easiest
can
option.
see. You can go for your own personal choice. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm just here to guide you. You have your own personal choice. You can go for that.
No, I'm just telling like so
Now,
that would be the easy approach.
now we have only 30 minutes. Okay. So let's just concentrate here. Our new topic. New topic is footprinting and reconnaissance. Okay. There are five phases of hacking. Okay. First is information gathering. Second is scanning. Third is gaining access. Fourth is maintaining access. And fifth is clearing track. This information gathering. Information gathering is known as footprint. Footprint. Okay. Whatever you gather as much as gather information as much as possible. Okay. Gather information as much as possible about your target. Okay. And reconnaissance. What reconnaissance means? Con means observation. Observing the gathered information about the target and coming to a conclusion. Okay. That is known as reconnaissance. Okay. So are we clear with the concept of footprinting and reconnaissance? Footprinting, gathering information about the target, reconnaissance, observing the gathered information, okay, and coming to a conclusion. Close all the types. Now, there are two types. Two types of footprinting. Again, guys, please concentrate here. Please concentrate what I'm trying to say here when I'm trying to explain you. There are two types of footprinting. One is passive recon or passive footprinting, and second is active recon, active footprinting. Active recon and passive recon. Now we'll discuss first about the passive recon, first active recon. Okay. So passive recon information gathering about the target without getting in touch, or let's say without scanning, or without like maybe so passive information getting about your target without interacting with your target, getting in touch, or without interacting with target. Okay. So in short, it means information gathering, through social medias. Okay. You can say social media or passive recon, or open source, open source available information we can use to gain information about our target. Okay. We're not gonna scan. We're not gonna ask. We're not gonna send anything. Okay, any packet or any link to the victim. Whatever there is on the social media, whatever there is on the open source, on let's say on Google or other website or other search engine, we're gonna be using that information and we're gonna be planning about our time, for this time. Okay. Now, so there are first main thing you can do, can use is search engine. Search engines. See guys, can you name search engines? Okay. Can you guys name search engines?
Google, Bing,
Google, Bing.
Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Tor.
Google, Yahoo.
Okay. That is that it? Is that it? Guys, there are 100 plus search engines. 100 plus search engines on internet. We are just limiting our expertise by just going by debating Google is best or Firefox, Google search engine is best or start page. There are millions, 100 plus of search engines. Let me show you. Just type post it video. Open. Here. Now, general search. For general search, we have AOL, Ask, Baidu, Bing, Deeper Web, GoTalk, DuckDuckGo, Ecosphere, entire web. Google search is also there. Google advanced search is there. Jive search. See, you guys have named only four, but just look at the information we have on internet. Yandex. Third, go with we have meta search. Okay, you can find the metadata. We have visual search and clustering search engines. We have national search engines. Okay, national search engines for Netherlands, Portugal, Philippines, Greece, Brazil, Spain. Algeria, Turkey, China. Okay, so these are national search engines. You can access it with VPN. Okay, of course, China won't allow you to access his VPN, his search engine so easily. You can use VPN for China. See, there are lots of search engines here, and when we don't even know about it clearly. So the concept here is known as OSINT. OSINT, Open Source Intelligence. Okay, Open Source Intelligence. Now, so search engine operators. There are operators, search engine operators. First is plus, I would give you, minus, multiplication, and modulus. So these are the search engine operators. Okay. But plus one. See here, I didn't ask the Google to show me the calculator, but when I'm using, okay, let's just say, is it now giving me any calculator? No, right? But when I add the plus sign, the addition sign, Google is trying to understand it and he's showing me the actual calculator over here. Why is it? I do plus, I do multiplication. See again, multiplication. So this is, see here, we are in the zone of advanced technology. Okay. So in advanced technology, there are search engines who use operators to operate. Okay. If I just say, let's say PDF, OSINT PDF. How many PDFs am I getting? See, can you see here? PDF, PDF, PDF. But am I getting any PDF here? No. It's a website. It's a website, not PDF, not PDF, not PDF, not PDF. Here again, PDF, PDF. But when I type PDF, why am I not getting the whole result just with the PDF? Here, if I click here, this is not PDF. See, this is not any PDF. So we to do the searching for us to make our searching more essential, more I can say like hello, can you guys hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Even now you are not audible.
Hello. Am I audible to you now? Hello?
Yeah. Yes, Kevin, you are audible.
Yeah, but your voice was very low. Hello.
Yes. Is it good now?
No.
Then, guys, just give me a second. Just give me a second.
Now it is clear.
Yes. Is it clear now?
Yeah, much clearer.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you very
yes.
much. So what I'm trying to say here, when I type PDF, I'm also getting websites. Okay, normal website that includes just word PDF. Okay, this is not any PDF here. Okay, this is not any PDF here. But when I type OSINT PDF, it contains the keyword PDF, but not the PDF itself. Okay, so that's why we need operators to make our search essential, to make our search more related to the uh, to our necessity. Let's just say if I type, just use this operator, for example. Am I getting whole PDF? Yep. Still not. I'm getting it. Let's go for search where it is advanced search. See, this is the basic advanced search which we can use in Google. Okay, all these words. I want OSINT, or let's just say ethical hacking. Exact word. Okay. Any of these PDF. I want PDF. Number ranging from 15 to 20. Any language, any region. Okay. Search. See here. Hacking PDF. Have you observed here what this is trying to say here? Ethical hacking PDF. PDF, the actual word which I want. And the exact word is hacking. Okay. And then our page 15 to 20. See here. 10 page. 14. Can you guys see how is it working? Now it's really mostly relating to ethical hacking, tools, technique, countermeasures. Can you see how I can change my search? How I can evaluate my search? So these are the operators in search engine we can use. So I'm going to give you the basic. Here, these are the These are the attributes. Okay, file type. File type will be PDF in text. Hacking. Okay, you see? CEH Certified Study Guide PDF. Tutorials.ch PDF. Download the PDF. Ethical hacking PDF. Can you see when I type the operator name, file type, and I have written the PDF. You can see I'm only getting PDF related to CEH, ethical hacking. Okay. So we can guys, please, whenever you join, please mute yourself. Okay. Now, So this is the basic operators. File type is the operator, in text is the operator, and .pdf and ethical hacking are the keywords. Go for in URL. Now you can see certified ethical hacker. See, it is that easy to gain knowledge, to have the introduction to hacking. See, we are now doing information gathering, footprinting and reconnaissance, also social engineering. So we have completed the social engineering part. Now we are doing reconnaissance and footprinting, which comes under chapter 2, module 2. See, it is that easy, at least for me, to gain these. Let me show you one thing. Can you see these courses? Active Directory hacking, hacker projects. These are my own skills. I was testing it, and these are the courses. These are the courses which I got for free. Not getting for free. With the help of just little operators, few operators. Let's say in text. Full text of gray hacking, ethical hacking workshop, PDF, ethical hacking, 3-in-1 book, beginner's guide. See, you can expand your expertise using this. So what do we call this? You can, yes, you can gain information about this to exploit DB. Exploit DB stands for exploit database. Okay. Exploit database. See, these are the guys who made Kali Linux. Okay. These are the human who made the Kali Linux for us. Hack. Okay. You might have heard of OSCP certification. So this OSCP certification is managed by offensive security. See here, known as offensive security, and the offensive security guys are known own this exploit DB. Okay, so when I write exploit DB, Google gonna be getting exploit database. Exploit database, Google hacking database, GHDB. Okay. Now you have here entitled index of in URL. I've shown you all this in URL, in text, entitled in URL. You can click to any of this. They have explained here what entitle means and what in URL means. And if you click here, it's gonna be Google search. See here, in title means what the title is of the site. The title of the website comes under in title. Okay, index of. You can see index here. So in URL, I want WP JSON. Okay, in URL, see here, WP JSON file. Okay. And it should be .json. Can you see here? It is .json. Asset JSON. Let's open it. Here, in URL, WP JSON. Okay, in title, index of. In URL, WP JSON. This is how you can make your life easy. Using Expert TV. Now, we can use other search engines as well. Let's go for other search engines. Where is my researches? General search. Lycos. Let's go with it. Yeah. Don't type anything. Hacking. Research. We are mostly getting related to ethical hacking only. Okay. But type PDF. Don't just be dependent on one search engine or any other. Okay. Don't consider that this search engine is going to give you the best searches. Let's go for another one. Go. I have it. Okay. Number one choice to Google being Yandex. And I have creating alternative search engines. Okay. One video, you can do .mpm, MP4 for that. See, Moodle in English. Hacking code to play MP4 hacking. Let's just say basic, let's do basic search. In video. I can video download the best token. See, these are the wide varieties we are getting. So don't just rely on Google, don't just rely on Firefox search engine. Now, okay, guys, don't just depend on anyone. Okay, there are variety of it. Use all. Okay, use everything. Now, I'll give you one example. This is an organization. xyz xyz.org. So now give me an answer. If I'm sitting at home, okay, if I'm just relaxing at home and I want to gather information about this organization xyz.org, can I do it? Can I gain information by just sitting at home? Anyone?
Yes,
How is it possible?
like obviously this is hosted on that public. Okay, so we can gather information. We can get that IP details and services which are running on
Yes.
these
The
servers.
best source to gain information about best source, I would say, best source for information gathering about a website is website itself. If you go to any website, okay, you go to any website, you will find a lot of information about their own company and just answer me. Now, if you are gaining information about the website, okay, if you are gaining information about a website is related in, it is associated in a web server, okay, web server. It is associated, the website, see here, web server is associated in the organization and, and the website is associated, it comes under the web server. Web, web server and comes under the organization and the website of the organization comes under the web server. And if you're gaining any information about a website, that means you are gaining information about the web server, right? And yes, so is my voice clear? Hello? Is my voice clear to
Yes,
all of
yes,
you?
it is
Yes,
clear.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All good? Okay. Thank you very much. Now, the website is associated under web server and web server is associated in the organization. So when you are gaining information about a website, that means you are gaining information about the web server, right? And once you gather information about the web server, it means you are gathering information about internal network, internal network of the organization, right? Is it correct? Is it a valid point, guys? Is that a valid point? When you're getting information about a
Yes,
website
yes,
and the
yes.
website is associated with the web server and that web server is comes under the network of the of the organization. Please don't draw on the screen. Hello. Okay. Yes, Tishtigram. Is it okay now? Can you see my screen?
We can see like it got stuck on this entire uh web page.
Now can you see?
No, still same.
Is it okay?
No. Maybe
Can
you
you
can
guys rejoin? Everyone, can you guys please rejoin? Just
region.
rejoin real quick, please.
Okay. Like, have you tried to unshare and share it again?
No, it's not the problem of sharing or unsharing.
Okay, so let's
It
rejoin
might
then.
be the issue. It might be the issue for network.
It is like now we cannot. Now it is visible. Now it is visible.
Let others come.
MS Paint we can see.
Has everyone joined?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So what my point was is the website is comes under web server, and that web server comes under the uh, internal network. So if we are gaining any information about the website, that means we are gaining information about the web server. And once we are getting information about the web server, that means we are getting information about the internal network of the organization, right? So we can find the OS name, we can find the server name, we can find the uh, server patches, we can find server versions which the company is using. Okay, we can also find the language. Okay, which language the website they are using, the organization is using. Okay. Guys, please. Now, the best way of gathering information. Guys, once I mute you, please don't unmute yourself. Okay. So the best way to gather information on any website, go for top level domain. Second, go for the subdomains. Okay. You will find most of the vulnerabilities on subdomains. You will find most of the vulnerabilities in subdomains. Now, just give me a quick call. Do you guys know the difference between top level domain and subdomains?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is anyone having issue with my voice again?
It was there in between. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir. It's clear now.
Now, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, yes, it is clear, Kevin.
Okay. So, the difference between top level domains is just the same Microsoft. Microsoft.com. This is
Hello, Kevin.
okay.
You're not
Okay,
audible.
my type got stuck in between. So Microsoft is the TDL, TLD, top level domain, and contact.microsoft.com. Contact.microsoft.com. It is a subdomain. Here, guys, anything that comes before the main domain, this is the main domain, and anything that comes before the main domain is a subdomain. Okay, are we clear? Moving forward.
Yes, sir.
So this is the main difference. Okay, so when you are gaining information about a website, go for the top level domains, and second one, subdomain. You will find most of the vulnerabilities in the subdomain. And also, I'm extending the lecture timing. So once we are done with this subtopic, I'm gonna give you a 10. We're gonna have 10 minutes of break. Okay. Now, to gather information about domains and subdomains, go to virus portal. Here, again, if I'm giving you any website or any tools, don't just rely on that tool. Okay. Go out and search for your own. Okay. What you are finding best, and don't just rely on one tool. Okay. Tesla.com. Details. Can you see the ranking? Popularity ranking, Majestic, Cisco Umbrella. We are getting the DNS records. I'll be coming back on this. Okay. Fingerprint. This is the hash. And the last HTTPS certificate. Serial number of the certificate, which is the version, date, data, date and timing. Okay. And this is the public key for the certificate. This is the public key. Full name of the URL where you can get your digital certificate. Okay, algorithm signature. It is SHA-256 RSA. This is the hash of the signature. Who is looking? The admin city is in San Francisco. It is in US. Email this. And now the postal code 94118. It is a San Francisco postal code. Domain name Tesla.com. Domain status. Name server, you can see the server which Tesla owns. A1, A0, A12, and so on. Registration phone extension. INA IDs. These are the INA IP IDs the Tesla can have. 292. You can find a lot of results. Elon Musk, Tesla, electric car. Okay. See, again, tech city, San Francisco, tech country, US. Just by going onto a simple website, which is VirusTotal. Okay, there are lots of websites, lots of tools which can give you more details, more information about a single website. Okay, so don't just only rely on VirusTotal. Explore more.
Kevin, one question. What
Yes.
if that website is hosted on some this cloud vendors like Cloudflare or some other vendors?
Can you please be louder?
Yeah. So what I'm saying, what if that website is hosted on some other cloud caches vendors like Cloudflare?
Okay, not using our own database to host.
No, let's say I want to gather information about a website which is hosted on Cloudflare.
Okay. Yes, sir. So in that you can use any Kali Linux tool. And still, if you don't get, see, if the website is hosted on the Cloudflare or any cloud domain server, but the thing is, they might be having their personal domain, their personal servers with them, right? No company is gonna they see in today's date, organization are getting smarter. Okay, so what are they trying to do? They are hosting only the web page. Okay, the web server, not the whole server, just the web server to the domain like domain services, Cloudflare and GoDaddy, anything like that. They are not hosting the whole server. Okay, so it is possible for you to get information. And now all of the companies, like most of the companies, are going cloud. Like all of them, they are not just hosting their website on the cloud, but they are um, hosting the database also on the cloud. So in that case, there are different methods on the cloud information gathering. Okay, are we clear?
Yes, usually like so these sort of companies they hide a lot of information. But yeah, you're right. So that obviously that web will communicate with the app server. Okay, so that information we can gather through
Yes.
Kali. Understood.
No. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'm getting the RDP session. Now, now I've shown you about the various tooling. Okay. We have gotten a concept about how you can gather information about the subdomains and about the domains, like just for the website. Okay. You can use virus tooling. Now we are going to use Kali Linux tool. Just open Firefox, type subdomain, GitHub. The GitHub is the best repository you can where you can find the best repositories.
बेटा भी 2 मिनट बैठे मैं लेक्चर ले
Like GitHub. Just type subdomain, search for subdomain. Make it simple. Okay, don't go for any fancy one. And now we can see subdomain group. Okay, subdomain 3. Go with the highest rating. Okay, you can see 681, 3K rating, 3.1K rating. Can you see the harvester? 8.2, 8.1. So go for the best rating. So which only two tools are having best rating. I would go for Sublister. Sublister is a good one, but again, don't be dependent on me. Don't be dependent on my choice. Go and explore more. Again, get clone, paste. See, again, I'm telling you, if you guys are new, you are beginners, you don't know the commands. Git command is used to clone the command. I mean, clone the repositories from GitHub. Okay, we're gonna be using git command, attribute clone, and we're gonna be giving the URL from where we are cloning. Press enter. Then ls ls stands for list. cd stands for change directory. Okay. cd change. Let's do a tab. Now, again, if you are really a beginner, just go here, see here. You can see the installation process. Type git command, give the attribute clone, and give the actual URL. Recommended Python version. Okay, you must have the requirements of for Python 2.7 and for Python 3.4. Dependencies, any dependency you're gonna having? Yes, they are having dependencies. Any requirements? Installation of Linux. See here, you can see pip install -r, the argument r, requirement.txt. Can we see here requirement.txt? So -r requirements.txt. That's not fine. Okay. Python 3 r
Pip install.
Yes, I don't have a Python module.
Pip install. You missed install. And after this pip.
But I couldn't hear you.
You missed this install syntax after pip. It's pip install.
I don't have pip. It's okay if I use pip. Just pip, you can use it. Python.
I think in Kali it is apt install. Is it?
No, it's okay. If you don't use a apt-get install, it's okay. It's fine. So I need to install Python first. If after the Python, the user is using Python, -m pip install the article. Okay. Not it is not mandatory to use the apt. Installation for Windows, installation for Ubuntu.
Sir, I'm checking on Google. It is apt install.
Yes, I know that app get installed, but the thing is, it's when it comes to Python, if the program is written in Python, it's okay if you don't use app install, okay? Because let's just say we are using Python command, we are using Python program, not the app program, okay? Uh, might be having some issues with my repositories. Uh, yes, I know pip is not installed, but installing the pip, we first require Python. Let's take a break of 10 minutes. What is the issue? I'll get it done. Okay. 10 minutes break, guys. Go and get fresh. Okay. 10 minutes break.